Okay, we'll start in some time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
This is Mandela group, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is our computer class.
Yes.
Okay. How many of you know what is an algorithm?
It is steps.
It's a setup.
It's
Okay.
set of steps that we have to follow to solve something.
Step. Okay, and a flowchart.
No, like we have an algorithm for Rubik's Cube.
Sorry.
We have algorithm for Rubik's Cube that we play.
Oh. Okay, you have algorithm for Rubik's cube. That's nice. And can you?
We have algorithms for computers also.
Yes. And what is a flowchart?
It is a chart.
It is a chart. Write an algorithm. Who knows how to write an algorithm? Yes, it's me, your computer teacher. Who can write an algorithm? Do you know how to write an algorithm?
No.
You don't know how to write an algorithm?
No. I don't know.
I can see someone raising his hand. Who's trying to share his screen?
Sorry,
Okay.
I did on accident.
Yeah, Ibrahim, you were raising your hand. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
I was keeping my hand.
So first thing, you have to tell me the definition of an algorithm, and then you have to tell me the definition of what is a flowchart, and you have to tell me how to write an algorithm and how to draw a flowchart. Have you seen a flowchart? Have you seen a flowchart? No. Who is doing that?
Definition of
For
algorithm
saving the of file or something of PowerPoint, so we do Control S.
Okay. No, I'm asking you about flowchart.
Sir, can I see the definition of algorithm?
Yes, tell me.
A process or set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations, especially by a computer.
You are. Did you Google it?
Yes, sir.
Munib. So did you, okay, fine. The Googling is fine, but did you understand?
Sir, I said it this before also, before Googling. It is set of steps which we follow.
No, okay. But do you understand what an algorithm is?
Yes.
Today we are going to understand what algorithm is, what flowchart is, and the relation between the two, and the relationship between an algorithm and a computer.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, who knows how to make tea? Who can make a tea? Can you make tea? Who can make tea? Okay. Muhammad M. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me the steps.
First, you take half cup of water, and then you put it.
Okay, louder. Yes. You take half cup of what? Okay, shall we write down? Okay, let us write down. Let us write down the steps that he said.
First, you take half a cup of water of the glass you are going to drink in, and then you are going to
Wait. Take half a cup of water. Okay.
and then put it in the patili in the saucepan container.
No, in the dekcha.
Okay,
And then you put 1 teaspoon chai patti and
No, it is tea leaves. It is not chai.
in the pot. In the pot.
Tea leaves. Tea.
If you are drinking 1 cup, you put 1 teaspoon. If you are drinking many cups, you put the teaspoon per cups. Okay,
Okay.
and you
Tablespoon. We can use tablespoon.
Okay. Okay, next step. Only Mohammed will say, no one else.
put 1 teaspoon we put 1 teaspoon sugar,
Salt?
1 piece sugar,
Okay. Okay.
and then you let it boil for some time, like
Wait.
boil for 5 minutes.
Okay, we'll write down the steps also. Okay.
Then don't put sugar. And then
After,
boil for 5 minutes or 4 minutes.
okay.
And then take half cup of milk in the glass you are going to drink.
Take half cup of milk.
And then put it in the tea leaves, sugar mix and water mixture.
I can put it in the decta, right? Because all these are in the decta. Okay. 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 Is this
And
fine?
then stand there for some time, and when the chai boils up and the chai starts coming up, you close it, and then your chai is ready. If you want some more sugar, you can put it inside.
Stand there for some time and wait for the chai to boil.
Come up.
Okay. So okay, done. Anything else?
No,
Any more steps? Or is the chai ready?
it is ready. You have to put it in the cup from the Diksha container.
You have to sieve it first, then put it in that container.
Yes.
In the mug, then.
First, seaweed or the tea powder or the leaves will be in the tea only, and it will not taste good.
Okay, fine. So these were the steps to make a tea. Now, what happens inside a computer? What happens inside a computer? When
We
you
switch
when
on
you
the
turn your computer, something happens, right? Power is switched on. And what happens? The RAM, the hard disk, and the processor, it all gets the power. And the algorithm to start the computer starts executing one step after the other. So an algorithm is
Steps.
yeah, we can
Step
say
by step. Next.
yes. So let me write it on your board. Let me write it on your board. Definition algorithm. So algorithms are a sequence of algorithm is a sequence of, it will be like this. Algorithm is a sequence of steps for solving a problem. Okay, or algorithms are a sequence of steps to do a task or a job. Okay, so this is an algorithm to make a cup of tea.
T.
Okay, this is an algorithm to make a cup of tea. Similarly, we can have an algorithm to go to, where do you stay, Nerul, right? To go to, suppose you want to go to, where? Let's say you want to go to
Delhi.
Gateway of India. Where you want to go, Ibrahim?
Delhi.
Delhi. Okay. If you want to go to Delhi from Nerul, how tell me the algorithm.
First, we
Go by
will
train.
take a rickshaw to the station, and then we will go by train or a plane. We can go to the airport, and then from plane we can go to Delhi.
Very good, very good, very good. You will not buy ticket. You will not
Yes,
pack your
we
bag.
will buy. We will buy
So,
ticket. First only we will buy tickets
so
from
you are,
before only.
can you see the screen without switching on your computer?
No.
No, sir.
Yes. So, so you have to get the steps right. You cannot first board the plane and then buy the ticket. You will first have to decide a date. You will have to open a website, a booking, maybe Make My Trip or some other website. Or you have to go to a travel agent to get your tickets booked. Then on that date, you cannot go to rickshaw on any day. You cannot take a rickshaw and go to the airport or the station on any day.
We can take our own car or bike also.
Yes, you can take your own car and bike also, but you have to go on the date of travel, not on
Yes.
any day.
And
Yes,
we can't be late. Otherwise, we will not be able to go in.
yes, you have to reach before the flight time, 2 hours before the
Flight time, so
flight
that we
time.
can do the immigration and all
No, you don't have, you don't need
procedure.
to do immigration to go to Delhi, because
But
Delhi is in it.
sir, yeah, I know, but they check our bags and then they let us in.
Yeah. That is called security check.
Yes.
Okay.
It is not
So
immigration, that is check-in.
yeah, that is checking. Okay. So
And
yeah,
sir, they make us wait in a mall also for an hour.
mall. Oh wow.
In
Sir,
the
I
airport,
think-
there is a mall.
Which mall, huh?
Yes, in Shivaji, in the airport there is a mall, and from there we
Arey, it
wait
is
for
not a
1 hour.
mall. It is where you can buy things. It is not a mall.
It's an airport.
It's a
It
gift
is a
shop.
mall.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Entrance, it is
Okay,
written
fine.
in
It's a
Okay,
gift
you can
shop.
call it a mall.
Okay, we got it.
It's okay. You can call it a mall.
Duty free, sir. Duty free thing.
Boys, now okay.
We get food also over there.
Yeah,
Sir,
you get
I
food.
think the relationship in flowchart and algorithm is that they both have steps in it.
What is the relation between? Please come again.
They both have steps in it. In algorithm, we do step by step means what to do, and in flowchart, there is that means what step to what step for what.
So we
They
divide
both
in
give
flowchart.
instructions.
In flowchart, we divide one particular like goal into different like parts.
They both give instructions.
Yes.
Like flowchart explains the step, and algorithm means algorithm does.
Read this. Read this.
Ma'am, sir, the way we write the algorithm is a flowchart.
Now we will convert this algorithm into a
No.
flowchart. Who can write a flowchart for this algorithm?
For the T algorithm, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, I can.
right. You can
Sir,
annotate here.
should I annotate?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. In the middle, first we will write making. Oh, sorry. So can I text? Can I write in text?
Yes, you can. No, I'm asking you to make a flowchart.
Yes, I am doing 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, you can draw it on your copy and show it to me like this.
Okay, sir.
Anyone
Sir,
else
I
knows?
can annotate.
Yeah, annotate.
Sir, can I show I made?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, in the middle we will draw, like we will write make for making a tea, and then we divide the steps, like step 1 we will write here, step 2 we will write here.
No, this is not a flow chart. A flow chart. Okay. Muni, are you annotating?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you making a flow chart?
Yes. But it
Okay.
will take a lot of time, sir. Sir, we have to, then after that, we will draw arrow like this, and then we
Oh,
will make again
yes.
a circle.
Okay, you can make it on your copy and show it to me, Munib.
Okay, sir.
You can make it on your copy. So now, okay. No. Stop drawing. Stop drawing. Okay. In the meantime, we will see the various blocks that are used in an algorithm. Okay. You see this block?
What,
See this
sir?
block? You see this block? You see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir, we can't see the block.
Oh, you can't see the block.
Sir, you unshare and then again share.
Okay. You see this block? You see this shape?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the terminal. This is the terminal. And this one is the process block. Okay. And this one is the decision block. This is a rhombus. This is a rectangle. And what is this? What shape is this?
Oval rounded rectangle.
Oh, yes. Nice. Who was that? Rounded rectangle. Okay. So we are going to use, and this is the arrow that connects the various boxes and shows us the flow. Okay. Now we are going to use these 4 things to make a flow chart. All right. Now let me come back to whiteboard. Okay. So what is the first step? What is the first block that we have to use?
Take a cup of water.
Take a cup of water. Okay. First we have to start. I mean, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
We have to start. Sorry. So we have to this a rounded rectangle. Okay. So forgive my drawing because I'm using a mouse. It becomes like this. Okay, start. 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 Okay, we use this box when to indicate the start of a process and end of a process. Start and end. Okay. And this one is the process box. Process box means what? It describes a process. Like you said, you have to take a cup of water. So taking a cup of water, put it in the deckcha. What is it? you're doing something, you're doing a task. It is the process box. Okay. And what is this? A decision box. So what decision that we had?
In the decision box.
Sorry.
I did not understand for the decision box.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I'll show you the decision box. You see this flow chart? This is the flow chart. Okay. So we start. Now here, what are we going to do? What was our... Are you able to see my screen?
Sir, we will write how to make a tea.
You see this? Do you see this picture? This is a flow
Yes,
chart.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is a flow chart. This is a flow chart. So what was our first step?
Take a half a cup of water.
Take a cup of water. So we are going to write this here. Now everyone on your notebook and take a notebook and pen and make this this block. Make this shape. Computers.
वही हाल है ढंग से उठाते हैं
उसका खाया हुआ नहीं ना
ये?
उसका भी अंदर बोला मेरे लिए थोड़ा निकाल कर दो बाकी चीज मत कर
Okay. Done. Now what was the next step? Take a cup of water in a deckcha. So you can write take a cup of water in a utensil. So which box we'll be using? This process box. Okay. This is the process box. Okay. Now what was the next step? You have to keep it to boil and you have to...
We have to write in the box that we have to take a half of water.
Yes, you don't write the full sentence. Just write take cup of water. Take 1 cup of water. That's it. You don't have to write the full sentence. In algorithms, you write the full sentence. In this chart, you don't have to write. Just write take 1 cup water. That's it. And after that, next step is, what is the next step? You have to wait for it. We have to light a stove and keep it to boil.
Put the utensil on the stove.
We have to put chai patti in it.
Okay. So you make another process box and write, you have put the chai patti and sugar. Okay. Because it is a process. All process should be inside a process box. That is how we know whether
So your internet.
my internet.
Yes, sir, your internet was gone now.
Can you hear me? I was not saying anything.
No, sir, now we can hear you, but before, just 2 minutes before.
So then, what is the step after that?
Put chai patti in it.
Sir, after chai patti, we will keep it. We will add sugar. What
Yeah,
is
so chai patti, sugar and all, just write in one process box.
Sir, can we make more boxes, big
Yes.
boxes? Because in this small box, it will not fit.
Yeah, you can make a big box or you can make 2-3 boxes. No problem.
Sir, after putting chai patti, we have to put a decision box so that if someone doesn't want sugar, so then we cannot put.
Okay, you want to put a decision box there? Okay. Okay, put a decision box there. You can add sugar in the end. Okay, nice. This is nice. You all are
Sir, we
thinking.
can add sugar free also if someone does not.
Yeah, you will do that in the end. Okay. Okay, so put a decision
Sir.
box. Put a decision box and put it to boil. Okay, put it to boil.
What do we have to write?
You just write boil. Write boil. In the decision box, write boil. and put an arrow here. If boiling is complete, then what do we have to do? We have to add milk, right? What was the next
Yes,
step?
we have to write half. We have to add half cup milk.
Okay, but if it is not, just a moment, you have to understand this. This is yes arrow. This is a no arrow. Okay, this is a no arrow. So in yes arrow, you can write. You can make a process box and write add a cup of milk. And in the no box, if the water has not yet boiled, so we make a loop here like this. Just a moment, let me make it. So this is the decision box. This is the no arrow. This is the yes arrow. Okay. And this is the boiling decision box. Is the boiling complete? If yes, then you can add a process box and write whatever you want to write. Add milk or whatever. If the boiling is not done, you will take this arrow here and put it here like this. What does it mean? Boiling done? No. Keep boiling it. Keep it on the stove.
Got it,
So,
sir.
continue.
Sir, the first step will be to boil the water in the stove, right?
Yeah. We have some steps here. So I'm not writing that. Okay, you all have already written that. So this is an infinite loop. What did we call this? This loop will continue infinitely unless the condition is met. What is the condition? Boiling is complete. Until the boiling starts, this loop will go on. Okay. Boiling, has the water started boiling? No. Okay. This loop will
Sir,
continue.
I want
Yeah.
to say something.
Say.
Many flowcharts are like that. Like for like up there is there is the question, and then from
Who
down
is
we divide it into two parts, and then more into four parts.
speaking?
Sir, it is Ibrahim.
Okay, Ibrahim. I'm not able to see you. Your camera is off.
Sir, can you see me?
No, I can't. Yes, I can now. Yes, Ibrahim, tell me.
Sir, like in science when we were studying, so sir, there was a flowchart. So above there was a question, and then it was divided into two, and again it was divided into four parts, and then
Oh,
finally
so
we got the
we
solution.
are talking about the computer flowchart. This is the
Okay.
computer flowchart, okay? This is the
Yes,
computer
sir.
programming flowchart.
Sir,
Okay? Yes.
sir, I have made this like this. Is it okay?
Okay. Okay. Oh, yes, nice. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, that is how you make it. Okay. So now we come back to this flowchart. What did you write here below this decision box? Put milk. Put milk, right?
Yes, after milk, what
And
we
then we have to put sugar. We did not put sugar.
Yeah. We'll make a decision for box.
did it. I wrote after take a cup of water. After that box, I wrote add tea leaves and sugar.
Which step? Where did you write it?
Step 3.
Okay. So fine, if you have written sugar, no problem. But if someone wants to put a condition for sugar, we will add the condition for sugar in the end. Okay.
Sir, after boiling the water for stove, and then in the decision box we will write boiling is complete, and under that we will write powder to add powder and sugar. Right?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. No. No. We'll be putting
We have to write add milk.
we will put a condition box for sugar. Okay. So you can just write
Condition
add milk powder or add milk. Okay.
Okay.
And then put another condition box and you can write sugar. You can write
Condition box is that oval that oval
no
one.
condition. This is
Oval
the
one.
condition box. Decision box is the condition box.
Okay, sir.
Decision box and condition box are the same thing. Okay. So you put add sugar and write yes. If yes, put a process box and then you can write add sugar.
Sir, can you show on whiteboard?
Oh yes. So I'll show you the condition for sugar. Okay.
Sir, if it yes, then we have to stir it, and if it no, then we have to repeat it.
Yeah, I'll tell you. So this is the condition box for sugar. Okay. So this is yes. This is yes. This is no. This is no. Okay. This is yes. Okay. Fine. Add sugar. Yes. So then you can put add sugar. You can put a process box here. Add sugar. Fine. Add sugar. Okay. And then another one is pour in cup. Pour in cup. Pour. Pour. You please write properly. I'm okay. But if the condition is no, then you bring this arrow directly here. We are bypassing this process. This box checks the condition. Do you want to add sugar? You can write a question also here. Do you want to add sugar? Yes. Add sugar. No. Directly pour in the cup. And then you can end it here. This is the end. Who did not understand? Who did not understand?
Done, sir.
Sir, when we get the final result, then we need to put which box, sir?
Final result means
Like when we get the T, then in that what we need?
process box. Process box. You can make a process box and write, and you can write pour it in the cup. So
The
when you pour it in the cup,
process box is this, sir.
this one rectangle. Yes, this is the process box. You can put a process box and write pour it in a cup. So when you write that, it means that you have it in a cup, and then you can end the process. Okay. Did you understand? Who did not understand this? Rushta, did you not understand?
I completed.
I understood.
Uh, okay. You put a dot in the chat. Fine.
Sir, can you see
Excellent.
mine?
I'm not able. Can you send me on WhatsApp? Just take a pic and send it to me. Do you have your phone with you right now?
No, sir. My
Just a
mother.
moment. Just keep holding it like that. Let me.
Yeah, okay, sir.
You can take a picture and then screen share it.
I am on a computer, sorry.
Don't have a free snipping tool or what?
Okay, let me check it. Okay. I can see just one okay, you have two decision boxes. Add tea powder, okay. You got to mark your decision box with yes and no. Sugar, yes.
Sir, I wrote over here yes.
But where is the arrow for yes?
Sir, I have written yes over here beside the decision box.
Okay. So after add tea powder, add a cup of milk.
Yes.
No, 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 no,
My hand.
no, 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 no. Boil complete. You have not marked your yes and no branch for boil complete. Ibrahim, just check your decision box for
Oh,
boil
I
complete.
forgot.
Yes, you have to mark it.
Sir, can
You
I
have,
show
Okay,
you?
sir, I will.
you have to mark it well. Otherwise,
Sir, can I
Sir,
show
in
you?
the decision
yes,
box,
please
I
show.
have written boiling complete.
Yes, and you also have to mark your Y and no branch. Y and no arrow, you have to mark it. Otherwise, the flowchart will be wrong. Yes, show it.
Yes, sir, I marked it.
Okay. Start.
Yes.
Okay. Boil, yes. Put milk. Okay. Sugar, yes. Add sugar. No. Oh, this is nice. This is very good. You have to make it a little neat, but this is very good. This is the right flowchart. Amina Rushda,
Sir, I made it.
does your flowchart look like Yo-Yo's flowchart? Yo-Yo, what is your name?
Yes.
Yo-Yo, what is your name?
His name is Yahya.
Okay, Yahya. Everyone, does your flowchart look like Yahya's?
Sir, we did not see properly.
Yeah, please show again.
Yes, sir.
Where is Munib gone?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Same.
I have written it.
Okay, very good, very good. Munib, where are you? Show me your flowchart. Show me your flowchart.
Sir, it is not neat. That is why I'm drawing again.
Okay. Who will show me the flowchart?
Sir, can I show it again?
Yes,
I
please
marked
show.
it.
Yes,
Yes.
please.
I made an arrow to it.
Let me see it. Add tea powder, sugar, boil complete. Yes. No, Ibrahim.
Yes,
Where
sir.
have you marked yes? The two branches come. Why are three branches coming out from your decision box?
Sir, there are not 3 branches.
I can see three. I can see three coming out. And your arrows are not marked. Your arrows should have direction. All the arrows should have direction.
Okay, sir.
Yes, put a direction to your arrow. Otherwise, how will I understand what is going where? Rushta and who else is there? Muhammad M. Amina, show me your flowcharts. Abdullah, no, Abdullah is the host.
Mine is not neat, so I'm doing it.
Sir, I will make it again.
Who is making it again?
Sir, I'll make it more neat.
Okay, make it neat. Why do you have your names written like this? How do I understand? Who is this? Brilliant. Yes, brilliant.
That is
Brilliant.
Anush.
Yes. Brilliant. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Where is your flowchart?
I am making.
You didn't make?
No, I am making again.
Okay.
Sir, I completed making the arrows. Now can you see?
Okay. Yes. Boil complete sieve it. You have written sieve it. So are you going to just have boiled water?
No, sir.
Yeah, that is what says sieve it, pour it in cup, tea is ready.
Yes.
And I don't see your end box. Where is your
Can you
end?
see? Sorry, it's over here.
End should always have rounded corners like start.
Okay, sir. I will do it in
Start
round.
right. It does not have rounded sides.
I will do it in rounded sides. Okay.
Yeah. Your flowchart is again not correct, Ibrahim.
I'll recheck it and make it
Because,
again.
yeah, your yes, yeah, no is again not marked. And after sieve, look at that. After sieve, you are putting it, after boil, you are putting it to sieve, and then you're pouring it in cup. So you're just having boiled water. Okay, who will show me the flow chart? We just have 5 minutes for the class to end. You are you done? Muneem, where are you?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, show it to me.
Yes, sir. Sir, first you see from here.
Start. Take a cup of water. Add tea leaves. Okay, boiling. No, you don't need to put infinite. Boiling. Please put. Okay, arrow is there. If boiling is done, add milk. Okay. Okay. Do you want to put sugar? Okay. Okay. Yes. Add sugar. No. Pour in cup. Yes. Excellent. Excellent. Just remove that infinite from here. I just told that to explain it to you. You don't write that.
Yes, sir.
Infinite until
He
the
removed.
condition is.
I
Yes.
removed.
And mark your arrows properly. Your arrow should look like an arrow.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have made.
Okay. And who else? Who else? Okay. Start. No. Okay. Good. Good. Put half cup of milk. Okay. Your arrows are not touching. Make them. Brilliant. Please show me your flowchart. Brilliant. Muhammad, Rushda, and where's Amina? Amina is gone. Rushda, please show me your flowchart.
Almost.
Muhammad, please show.
Sir, can you see it now?
Wait, yo. I'm looking at Muhammad. Muhammad, please bring it closer to the camera. One decision box. You just have one decision box, Muhammad. Yahya's is okay. Yeah. Bring it close to the camera.
Where's my pen go?
Okay, put half a cup of milk. Yes, add sugar. No. Okay, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice.
Sir, I have put boost up also. If there are two arrows now, so mean that will boost up.
Okay, very good, very good. Yeah,
Sir.
you can please share your flowchart.
Sir.
Yes. Who is that?
Show me.
It is Anas. Brilliant. No, sir. It is saying Anas was saying Anas.
Okay, so Yo-Yo is done. Rushda, you have not shown me your work. Muhammad, there was some mistakes. You will learn. Don't worry. You will learn, inshallah. Okay. So we end our class. You've learned about algorithm and flowchart. You will get this in your exam. Making an algorithm and flowchart.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we for learning coding, we have to learn flowchart and algorithms.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. For coding, you must know flowchart and algorithm. Without algorithm and flowchart, you cannot write code. Okay. Anas, brilliant. Munib, show me your work.
Sir, I showed you now.
I want to see once more.
Sir, when you were teaching them, my network was gone, so I didn't. When my network is good now, sir, that I only know.
I cannot hear you, Anas.
Sir, he's saying his net was gone when you were teaching.
Okay. All right. So that's it. We end the class here. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
All the best for your exams.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.